Dear friends, this video is for those people who work into support and operations and implementation, basically in IT industry or in any industry. And please listen to this video very carefully, because this video is going to change your life. This video is going to change your thinking process. Few years back, I was also working as a support and implementation engineer. But going forward, working with the same department, I realized that my growth was very limited. I was not able to grow. I was looking around people who got tremendous growth. So I thought, what is missing? Why I am not growing? And then I realized a very key thing. And that was, somebody told me that Purushottam, you can make money only and only if you save money for your organization or you make money for your organization. You bring money for your organization. Then I asked him, I said, sir, please tell me, how can I make money or save money for an organization? Then he told me, Purushottam, you must evaluate some roles in sales where you can leverage your technical skills. And then I realized that there is an excellent role, an excellent opportunity, which is the role of a solution architect. This role is very challenging role, and you can understand, more the challenge, more the risk, more the gain, more money. And I took that path. I became a solution architect, and I got speed in my career. So people who are listening to this video clip, think aloud. Are you making the same mistake which I was making, which I have done? Just think. Because what I understand, solution architect is one role which can fulfill your dream, which can give you the money you want for your life, your career, your family. Share your thoughts with me. Connect with me on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. This is Purushottam signing off. Thank you so much.